Damn, that's a big ass package, bro. What is he stealing? A PS5? Quick look around. This motherfucker's gonna slip, I guarantee it. He's gonna slip.
He almost slips and falls horribly, but gets away with it.
I called it, bro. I fuck. Steals package. Why do you look at the... Sees camera... Bro, you're already calling camera... Like, I don't understand these motherfuckers, bro. Damn, like, bro, they're taking their sweet time. I would be, like, rushing if I was stealing something. Owner sees them. Oh, shit. They scream like rats. Oh,
However,
shit.
they're not able to steal for long, as the homeowner eventually walks outside and chases them away.